Let me go with the third problem here. Right, a man crosses a 600-meter long bridge in 5 minutes. Okay, the speed of a man in kilometer per hour will be, right, first of all we are supposed to find speed and then we need to convert it into kilometer per hour. Correct. So let us check out with this what they have given here. A man crosses 600-meter long bridge. So that is, they have given distance. Distance is equal to 600 meter. And time. Time they have given in terms of 5 minutes, which we need to convert it into second. That is 5 into 60, which is going to be 300 seconds. Now speed is equal to, we know that is distance by time. What is the distance now here? 600 and time is 300, which is going to be 2 zeros I'll cancel, 3 ones are 3 twos are. That is 2 meter per second. What we got? It is the speed of a man in terms of meter per second. Now we need to convert meter per second to kilometer per hour. What we need to do? We need to multiply by 18 by 5. Correct. So now that is 2 meter, that into 18 by 5. 18 by 5. 18 twos are 36. 36 by 5. Now simplify it. 36. 5 sevens are correct. 5 sevens are. So one reminder, put a dot. 0 take 0. So 5 twos are. It is 7.2 kilometer per hour. You know how to divide it, right? 36 that divided by 5. 5 sevens are 35. Correct. 1 can't divide, put dot here and take 0. 5 twos are 10. 0. The answer here is B. Hope you understood.